All right, my friends, here is something I am learning. Don't ever assume people know what you're doing. Like sometimes I think, people have heard of this. I'm not going to show this. But guess what? Maybe not. And there's nothing wrong with sharing something fun. Am I right? So today we're going to make ourselves some stickers and a fun pocket. Yay! All right, here is what I have done. I went into my garden and I have some false Queen Anne's lace. It is a member of the carrot family, and I put it in this old dictionary. And here's how I knew where to find it. You're going to love it. Look, Queen Anne's lace. A wild plant of the carrot family with fine leaves and small, delicate white flowers in flat-topped clusters. Ta-da! You're going to need some flowers, a heavy book, flatten those flowers for a while. Just for the purpose of this video, I only flattened them for a little bit, but you're going to want to make sure that they're dry. And some masking tape. So this might take a couple days. But like I said, I'm ready to go. You will also need some parchment paper. Ta-da! And I'm going to show you how to make these into a sticker. All right, ready? I'm going to take this out and put that over there. I'm going to lay my packing tape sticky side down, sticky side onto the parchment paper. I know it kind of threw me as well, but trust the process. That's what I always tell people. Don't lose your edge. Okay. This one is pretty big. It's going to go beyond the tape boundary. So I'm going to use this one, and I will use this one. See, so it stays within the tape boundaries. And let's add just a little more green. Maybe not quite that much. Okay. Now you're going to pull this out, sticky side down. That is all you have to remember is sticky side down. Lay it on top. I know this is the hard part. Try and do this and talk at the same time. Yeah. Cut that off. Save your edge. Smooth that out. Get all your little bubbles out as best as you can. And that's pretty much it. All right. First, before we get into that, I'm going to come back to our little backgrounds that we made the other day. And I'm going to do a pocket. Now, pockets can be done one of two ways. You can cut out a piece of paper, glue bottom left, bottom right, and stick it in here. That's fine. The other thing you can do is make it out of scraps of paper. So I have this fun bunch of paper, and I'm going to use a glue stick for this. I have these tissue papers. I kind of want a straight edge, so I'm going to glue this down. So that the top of it is straight, and then I'm going to tear this, and I'm going to match it up with the side. And then I'm going to take this fun guy, and he's going to be my other side. But I don't need all of it. So that is going to put together my pocket. All right, so this edge is going to get some glue. And what I'm basically doing is building a rectangle. Or a square, depending on your pocket. I'm going to trim this here. And glue. Okay, so this is my pocket. So I will put glue on the left side, the bottom, just maybe 1/8 of an inch in, just to make sure you get those edges. And I will put it right here, so that now I have a little pocket for things. But wait, there's more. What about our stickers? Wow, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to take this one and cut it out, and then I'm going to cut around it, not terribly close, because again, we want it to stick. Just a nice outline. Got it all the way down and back up. And what you're left with is this. All right, ready for the magic? Find a little part where you can peel back that parchment paper and, hi sticker, hi, look, oh my gosh. This is when I love my day job. I know. Ah, I like it. I like it so much. Now, if you would like to put another sticker on there, let's do this again, just so you can get the full experience of sticker fun. Whoops. Okay. Sorry. Go down. This one around. I am not going to go in between there because that will help this stick. Okay. Where should we put this one? Up here? Yeah, let's do that there. There we go, right at the bottom. Okay. Poke this little guy in. I'm gonna re-glue just this tiny edge. Oh my. Tell me we could sit and do this all summer. I really like this. Now, we need maybe just, you know, a little something more in there. It's pretty bright. It's pretty busy. So I have more scraps. And I think this fit. Yes. So I'm not even going to glue this together. I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to put a little hole in here and look at my poor scissors. I love these scissors. They no longer come together at the top. I've had them 10 years, 15 years, couldn't even tell you. You know my happy box, right? To see if I have a scrap of ribbon. I am not ashamed to admit that I not only have one happy box, but I have 2 happy boxes, because this one I travel with. Yep. What about this? Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. We'll tuck this in to my little hole. Like so. Yeah, it might be easier is to get a safety pin, but that's okay. Here we go. Okay. Now, if you would like to leave yourself a little message on this, get this corner down again. You can stamp a little word, such as, I've had this for about a zillion years as well. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it. All right, so this, when I stamp it, I always do a practice, and it will work. All right, friends, I'm telling you what, this summer is going to be fun. So come back, like and subscribe so you know when these videos come up. And we'll be at it again, doing summer fun projects. So fun! All right, thanks friends. We'll see you next time.